Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy red potato salad. First, select about 2 pounds of small red potatoes. These are perfect for their waxy texture, which holds up well in a salad. Wash them thoroughly and then quarter them, keeping the skin on for extra flavor and nutrients. Next, boil the potato pieces in generously salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. This ensures they are cooked through, but not mushy. Now, let's prepare our creamy and flavorful dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. The mustard adds a wonderful depth of flavor without being overpowering. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a crucial tangy element that brightens the entire salad. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for crunch and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion for a subtle bite. Once your potatoes are cooked, drain them thoroughly and let them cool for about 10 minutes. This slight cooling prevents the dressing from becoming too thin. Now, carefully add the warm potato pieces to your bowl of creamy dressing. Gently fold everything together, ensuring all the potatoes are evenly coated. Season the salad with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to suit your preference. For the best flavor, cover your potato salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the delicious flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a pop of color and extra freshness. This easy red potato salad is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or any gathering, and it's always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.